What's going on, guys? It's Bazox here, and today I'm gonna show you how to download the right SuperDuperMacro for Wrath of the LichKing 3.3.5. And I use it on Warmane because, you know, in PvP, one button paladins, OP, you're not killing them. So if you go to WoW interface and you see this right here, and this is the one that you're supposed to get, the 1.8.3. It says some of this crazy stuff right here, and I don't really know what it's talking about, but it has the crazy thing is it has version -4, so it's 1.8.3-4. And if you download it, so I'll download this, and you click it, it just has the Lua file, and the Lua file without all the other files aren't gonna work. It's not gonna work. You can make another. I tried to make a new folder and everything, tried to put it in there, but it still wasn't working because it didn't have the rest of the SuperDuper macro, all the files. I did some digging and searching, and I did find all the files, and I will be putting them in a Dropbox. You can virus scan it, whatever. Only thing that it's going to do is have the rest of the files, and I'll show you them in a second, all the files, what it'll look like, and then I'm going to show you how to install them. So basically in the Dropbox I'll have right here it'll have the SuperDuperMacro folder in this Mac OS X folder. So this will be the rest of the files in here. It'll have the XML file, and this is just so the add-on works. And then you just, so what you do is when you download it, you take it. I mean, you probably know because it's Wrath of the LichKing. I mean, come on now. But anyways, it's you open file location, go into interface, go into add-ons, and then you just drag it, put it over here, and it'll come down here, and then it's right there, and that's all you have to do. Once again, I will be putting it into a Dropbox folder, and if you guys do have any questions or concerns, or if something shouldn't go wrong, but if any case it does, or you need help with anything, just let me know in the comments. And if you need anything at all, so I'll catch you guys in the next video. You guys have a good one.